Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my new purchase from Dior. I actually thought this package was something else that I purchased, and I kind of opened it and noticed later on that it was the Dior item that I purchased. Let me get quick into it because my phone battery is about to die, so I wanted to quickly make this video. So this is how it looks. I didn't open it all the way. I opened it halfway and I noticed it was a Dior package. So wow, it's so pretty. Dior knows how to package their stuff. Most of my items I bought from Louis Vuitton online, and the box is not as fancy as Dior. This is exceptional. I love how they put this, I guess this is my receipt, how they have a little flap for it. I think this is so beautiful. This is amazing. So pretty. So gorgeous. It has the metal D. It's very heavy too. And oh, I forgot to mention, it comes with this metal star. Not sure what you use this for, maybe for decoration, Christmas tree decoration. But this is very unique. Never seen this before. Definitely a Dior thing. Not a Louis Vuitton or any other brand. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the Dior oblique wallet on a chain. Comes with a snap closure, and the inside looks like a wallet. I'm going to read the information that's on the Dior website. Okay. So the Dior website says it's, so it has a front D stirrup, which is this. It has 6 card slots, 3 patch pockets, 1 removable zip pouch, a removable chain strap, and is made in Italy. The dimension, what is the dimensions? I did see that. Size and fit, okay. So it's 19 by 11 by 3 centimeters or 7.5 by 4.5 by 1 inch. So my iPhone should fit in this wallet, but I'm using it to record. So I'm not really sure if it would fit, but I think my phone is 6 inches. The price is $1,400 with tax. I think I paid $1,432. Yeah, and it comes in different colors. I can move the screen. It comes in light blue, regular blue, and then this color gray. All right, let's get into this. It says Christian Dior Paris on the top. It has the 2 buttons to snap it closed. This is how the back looks. It has a back pocket, which you could probably fit your iPhone. I'm guessing this is, yeah, this is the chain. You could take it on. You could leave it on or take it off. Let's see. So it comes with the extra pouch. This reminds me of the Felici pouch, which I'm looking to get pretty soon. I have it on my wish list. I went to the LV store, and there was a 2-hour wait, so I didn't, you know, so I decided not to wait for it. But yes, you could definitely compare this to the Felici. Here, I guess you put your change. If you want to use as a wallet on change, should they just give you the option to have it separately. I think this is really nice. Love it. It says Dior right on the zipper. I just love this oblique pattern. It's so pretty. Okay, let me take all the stuffing out. Okay. Guys, if you don't know, this is made out of like cotton material. It's not coated, so it will get dirty. But because of the color that it is, it looks like a gray and blue. You probably won't really tell that it's dirty. Okay, I can't get that out. I don't want my nails to, oh, wait. Okay, then you have a little tag here that says Dior 34. Not sure what that means. What else? Okay. Okay, so it has an additional front pocket. It has an inner pocket. It has 6 cord slots. It has a inner back pocket. In my next video, I'm going to do what fits in here. Right now, I'm just doing this really quickly. This is the chain. And she hook it inside. On the other side, like so. These nails, oh my God. These are press-on nails. And I'm afraid that if I move too much, it might come off. Yeah, it's gonna be impossible. So this chain is very thick. It's very, very heavy. It's not like a cheap chain that you get from Amazon. So I can't get the chain, the other side of the chain on because of my nails. So I have to figure something out. But this is the extra pouch. You could put it in the front. You could put it in the middle. This is where I think it should be if you're gonna put change in it. Or you could put it in the back, which I think is pointless, but you don't really need to unless you want to put stuff in the back and you want to have a zipper closure. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to do a what fits in here next because I am running out of battery on my phone and I just want to do a quick video for you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Please click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another video. Please leave any comments you have down below in the comment section. And guys, I will see you later. I'm going to have a what fits in my Dior oblique wallet on the chain. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.